Flip-flop by Maharashtra government on inter-district movement. The state's transport commissioner has told Mirror Now that intra-state movement by state transport buses, which were planned for people stuck in various districts to go back to their homes, has now been put on hold. The state government is only taking migrants from other states and dropping them to the Maharashtra border. Mayuresh joining me on the phone line with more information on this. I'll go across to Mayuresh, but just to tell our viewers at this point that the movement of migrants from across districts in Maharashtra, which the government of Maharashtra earlier announced will be facilitated through state transport buses, that entire plan has been put on hold now. What the government says that what it will do instead is all those migrants coming to Maharashtra will be picked up by the buses from wherever they are up to the Maharashtra border. That seems to be the revised plan, but we will get more clarity on this from Mayuresh as he joins us. But at the moment, the information coming in is that the original plan to transport migrants from different districts of Maharashtra to their native villages has now been put on hold. The government will only facilitate migrants from other states who are maybe on foot traveling to Maharashtra. They will be picked up by the state buses and brought to the Maharashtra border. So let's in fact try and understand why this measure has been taken, probably because of the sheer number of migrants who would like to move across districts, something that the government may not be able to facilitate immediately given the priorities of a state with a very, very high number of cases. Remember, Mumbai alone has got over 13,000 cases, the state of Maharashtra among the worst hit so far. Transport Commissioner spoke to Mirror Now and confirmed that as per the last GR of state government, they are only going to take migrants of other states to the border of Maharashtra, wherever they are getting information of such migrants walking and wanting to reach the border of Maharashtra. So this is the revised plan. Buses will pick up migrants from on the way to the Maharashtra border.